I did not have a very good night's sleep last night. Called my parents, which was fun. But yeah, then I was like awake, and then I was looking at my phone, and then yeah, I couldn't fall asleep. Then I overheated and woke up and thought it was like 4 a.m. and it was 10:30. And couldn't fall asleep until like 12:30. So didn't rest the best. There was like a dog incessantly barking, and I could hear air brakes from the trucks on the highway down below. And yeah, another sad thing, my orange beanie fell out the back of my backpack yesterday while I was walking because I had too many things stuffed in the side pockets. So no more orange hat. Yeah, I like that hat. That's a bummer. And I'm out of whipped cream. That's a bummer too. And my body just doesn't really want to walk today. But I'm gonna go walking. It's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon and then the next 2 days. And I'm 75 miles out from Damascus. So the plan is to do 25 today. 25, maybe a little more tomorrow if I can. And then on the second middle day of rain, just like rain walk into Damascus and get a shelter, hostel or hotel or something, and dry out and maybe zero or close to it the next day. So there are storm clouds, but also bright things on the future if I work hard enough. We'll see how it goes. I think being rained on is fine, but it's the accumulating days of being wet that become really uncomfortable for me. So hopefully I can like rush the storm into town and then use town to dry things back out. A mitten. Ooh, it's a nice mitten. I kind of want it, but I don't need it, and it would just increase my base weight. So the trail continues on the road. There's this huge blowdown, so I'm gonna have to go like that. The tree fell, it's like 60, 70 feet away. And then maybe more, it's a big tree. And then somehow this guy got caught up in the mess. And yeah, it's gotta be because of those like vine things. It's just crazy. How? That tree was so far away. And somehow this guy fell over too. What the heck? I haven't seen a more Appalachia place than the Buck Mountain Baptist Church. What does it say? Salvation Grace. I think that's what it says over the sign. America. No, it says Sovereign Grace. That makes much more sense. America. Coming up, you can cut like 7 miles from Buck Mountain Road to Walnut Road. It's so tempting. I'm not gonna do it. Gotta respect the white blaze. Sucks though. I'm tired. I'm grumpy. I just met and talked with Mo and ML from Boston/Maine/Florida, and they were so fun. Good job not skipping the trail, Andrew. You got to make friends. Yeah, you guys are so fun to talk to. Okay, made my day. Storm Dasher just texted me. Did you lose an orange hat? Yes, I did. I knew he'd find it. Snack time. AT hikers being foolish. A river. Too bad we're going this way. It would have been a stream crossing over there. Little waterfall. It's a good day. It's like maybe just softly breezy. At least feels that way when I walk. And it's warm. And I don't know, it's pleasant. It's gonna rain in a little bit. So I'm trying to soak in just kind of like the calm, peaceful vibes before needing to work really hard. And yeah, I'm trying to be grateful for just like forest walking. Later today, I'll be grumpy again because I don't really have the greatest selection of food and I am really tired. But yeah, I don't know, it's just nice. It's nice walking in the woods. It reminds me of just like being a kid. Good. This seat is encouraging me to take a look. Nice. We were up there yesterday. That's Hump Mountain. We descended that ridge and then tucked into the tree line. And then between these two bumps was that great climb. And then over there is Rowan Mountain, I think. Not that one, but tucked behind it even further, like over there. Cool. Stream crossing? Nah. Always a bridge. I just spooked some grouse. Normally they spook me, but this time I didn't flinch. Came around a corner, it was a few steps back, but they were just like right there, and then I was like, off it went. It was awesome. These cascades are so hardcore. Cool. It's been a waterfall-y day. I just realized something so upsetting. I'm all reclined to eat lunch here, and I should get up and wash my feet and change my underwear and wash my dirty underwear, which, let's talk a little trail etiquette. You don't clean yourself up there. You clean yourself down there where nobody else is getting water. It's still pretty gross though. No one else is out here right now, so I don't feel that bad about it. But if it was like the bubble and there were like 80 people in this 20-mile stretch, I'd probably think twice about it. But I'm gonna do it. I don't want to though, it's so uncomfortable. Damn it. Only on a thru hike will I stand completely nude in the middle of the trail and be like, yeah, if someone walks up on me, I have a completely rational excuse for why I'm naked right now. But no one walked up on me. It was good. I'm cold now though. I should really like eat lunch with my feet in the water, but the water is freezing, so I don't want to. Fire? Oh. Oh yes, the sweet, sweet fragrance of wildfire smoke. I really like it, actually. But only from afar. Smells so good. I think it's pretty incredible how much rhododendron or mountain laurel, I think that's two names for the same thing, just coats these draws between the mountains. It's like there's so much of it, and the little bit in Maine that I think is the same plant blooms so vividly purple for like 3 days. every spring. I can't imagine what it's like to be here when all of this is blooming. It'd be like crazy. This is so cool. There's just that tree at the top hanging on. They're keeping like a whole 2 feet or 1.5 feet of earth up there. Wow. There's really not too many similarities, but this section of trail and the fact that there's just like water raging way down below me in a gorge, and the fact that I can smell smoke has got me thinking of the Hat Creek Rim and Bernie Falls on the PCT. If you know, you know. What a hellacious part of that trail. And then Bernie Falls is just like heaven. Okay, time to descend. I met a local named Tom. He said no one goes swimming here. They just stop and take a picture. I'm not gonna go swimming. But I am gonna put my feet in because even though my Achilles doesn't really hurt today, my knees are hurting. And I wanna honor Tom. It's beautiful. I can feel the mist coming off. It's cold. I didn't manage it very long, but it was good. Pure hiking is all about those choices where a little pain now goes a long way later. And I'll feel better and sleep better tonight because I'm doing this. So it's good. It's part of the experience. It's smelling the roses, they say. Cool. I get to walk right on the water. Yeah, this place is cool. That was awesome. I went up and looked at staying in the shelter. No, didn't like it. Back out to the woods, where I belong. Boom, camp for the night. Leaves, so comfy, so warm. And it doesn't seem like it's a road. Cool.